key to success. Do you know who I am? Yes, I am an ambition. So please join me for my queens to success. Oh, here comes my dear friend, Goal. I know she will help me.
How are you, Ambition?
I am fine. Can you guide me toward a success?
Of course, to be successfully, you need to set goals. When you set goals, you will focus on your task.
Thank you a lot for your advice.
Hello, Ambition.
Hello, how do you know me? You are dedication?
Yes, I am, my dear. You cannot achieve success without my support. When you are dedication to your work, then your tasks done on time.
That's true.
Hey, take care. You might fall down. Did you know I had a good breakfast? You look sleepy and tired.
I woke up late today. I was watching a movie till last night.
Oh dear, you need to develop good habits to become physical and mentally strong. This way, you will be disciplined and would able to make great choice for yourself.
You are right. From now onwards, I will develop a good habits.
If you want to shine like a sun, first you need to burn like a sun.
That's true. You must be ready. You must be hard work.
Yes, I am hard work. Success often requires hard work. The person who is working hard is able to achieve success and happiness in life.
Hard work will help me to become more productive and determined.
Oh wanderer, don't go under the shades of tree. You must carry on and focus on your journey. There is no progress without sacrifice.
You are correct. I need to give up easily in order to get something. Are you success?
No, I am not success. I am sacrifice.
Are you success?
No, but I am kind of success. I am failure.
No. Nobody wants to come near a failure.
You speak the truth. Where I do mistake, I start again. Failure teaches learning, knowledge, and values, and to overcome the problems. Do not give up so easily. I am persistent, and I am here to take you to success.
Finally, I am tired. Now onwards, I will turn from these qualities.
Have patience and continue doing all this. Have patience and continue doing all this that you mentioned earlier. Keep faith in yourself.
Are you fine? Yes, I am. Excuse me, may I know who are you?
I am success.
But you look so ordinary.
Yes, I am. Success is the mixture of many keys. All these keys reach your destiny. Hence, without all these valuable treasures, can't be achieved success.
So finally, I will achieve success.
Success is a journey, not a destination.
Ambition is the path to success.
If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, not the goal. The price of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand. Correct your mistake before they become your habit. Work hard in silence. Let your success be your noise. There is no success without sacrifice. Failure is not opponent of success. It is part of it. Persistence is the last key that unlocks potentially.